Unlock the flavor. Understanding mint pesto. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic that combines both language and culinary arts. We'll be exploring the phrase, mint pesto. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just love learning English, this video will help you understand not just the meaning of these words but also their cultural context. Let's get started and unlock some flavorful English expressions. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, mint and pesto. Mint refers to a family of herbs known for their fresh, cool taste. It's widely used in drinks, desserts, and savory dishes around the world. Pesto, on the other hand, is a sauce that originates from Italy. Traditionally, it's a blend of basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. When we combine these two words, mint pesto is a variant of the traditional pesto sauce, where mint is used as a primary ingredient or as an addition to the usual basil. Understanding mint pesto isn't just about translating the words, but also about knowing its place in culture and cuisine. In Italy, pesto is a staple, but chefs around the world have created their versions by substituting ingredients. Mint pesto is one such variation, offering a unique twist with its refreshing flavor. This sauce can be used in a variety of dishes, from pastas to grilled meats, and it's especially popular in spring and summer when mint is in its prime. Now, let's see how we can use the phrase in a sentence. You can say, I decided to make mint pesto for the pasta because I love the fresh taste. Or, the recipe calls for a tablespoon of mint pesto to add a burst of flavor. Using phrases like these in a sentence can help English learners understand how to talk about food and recipes naturally. I hope this tasty exploration of the phrase, mint pesto, has been both enlightening and appetizing. Remember, learning English can be as fun as experimenting with new flavors in the kitchen. Keep practicing by incorporating these new expressions into your daily conversations. Bon appétit, and see you in the next video.